Hello students, welcome back in the second part discussion that in the last video we had discussed Mowgli finds his family. Part 1 discussion we had done. Today we are going to start part 2 discussions and that is page number 28. Let's begin the story. Akela never raised his head from his paws but went on with the monotonous cry. Look well, a muffled roar came up from behind the rocks. The voice of Sher Khan's cry. The cub is mine. After the went to the that hilltop where the cub's mother wolf, father wolves used to hide. In that place that the Sher Khan suddenly appeared and he was roaring with a muffled voice and crying, saying that the cub is mine. वो cub बच्चा मेरा है. Give him to me. What have the free people do with a man's cub? इंसान के बच्चे को लेकर आप क्या करोगे? Because the Sher Khan saw that the man's cub was with them in the midst of the pack of the bull. That's why he was asking about the man's cub. अकेला never even twitched his ears. उसके बातों को अकेला परवाह नहीं किया. He was neglecting the Sher Khan's what the Sher Khan was saying. All he said was, "Look well, O wolves." तो अकेला was just saying to the mother's wolves that look after their cubs carefully. What have the free people do with the orders of any save the free people look well? What have the free people to do with the orders of any save the free people look well? तो अकेला क्या कहने लगा कि अकेला was saying that just take care along with that man's cub. उसको अच्छी तरह से ध्यान दो. Ordering to mother's wolves as well as father's wolves. There was a chorus of deep growls and a young wolf in his fourth year flung back Sher Khan's questions to Akela. So at that time when the Akela encountered with Sher Khan and the Sher Khan began to ask about that man's cub. He was asking a questions. What has the free people do with a man's cub? इंसान के बच्चों से आप क्या करोगे? Now the law of the jungle lays down that if there is any dispute as to the right of a cub to be expected by the pack, he must be spoken for by at least 2 members of the pack who are not his father and mother. So here was the certain rules that in the jungles have to be followed to every animals that is jungle's laws. And the dispute, whatever the disputes about the about the cubs, there should not be belongs to that particular fathers and mothers cub. It should be someone other else should comes forward to discuss, to settle down the dispute. So तो किसी भी समस्या को समाधान करने के लिए यानी कि कब्ज के विषय में कोई भी डिस्प्यूट है, जो असहमति है, उसमें ना फादर ना मदर किसी भी कब्ज के होने चाहिए। उसमें दूसरे 2 मेंबर्स आगे आकर उन प्रॉब्लम्स को सेटलमेंट होना चाहिए। ये एक रूल था। हु स्पीक फॉर द कब्स आस्क्ड अकेला, तो दैट्स व्हाई द शेर खान आस्किंग फॉर दैट हु विल स्पीक, कौन बोलेगा, हु विल स्पीक फॉर द मैंस कप, asking to Akela. Among the free people who speak, there was no answer, and Mother Wolf got ready for what she knew would be her last fight if things came to fighting. तो उस मोमेंट में, at that moment, the mother's wolf was listening and hearing, listening all about the talks, all about the conversations between the Sher Khans, between the Sher Khans and Akela. Then ऐसा लगने लग रहा था कि जो भी डिस्कशन व्हाट इट वाज देयर, ये लग रहा था, इट सीम्स लाइक इट्स गोइंग टू बी एन एंड विद अ डेंजरस फाइट, खतरनाक लड़ाई के बाद ये खत्म होगा करके। Then the only other creature who is allowed at the pack council, Balu, the sleepy brown bear, who teaches the wolves cubs the law of the jungle. यानी कि जिसमें कि एक बलू, एक ब्राउन बियर को बुला गया और वो लॉज, जंगल के कानून के बारे में वो वुल्फ कब्स को बताया करता था। He used to teach them, the wolves cubs, about the laws of jungle. Who can come and go when he please, because he eats only nuts and roots and honey, rose upon his hind quarters and grunted. The man's cubs, he said, I speak for the man's cub. There is no harm in a man's cub. तो यहाँ पे बताया जा रहा है कि मैंस कब के बारे में, जो मैंस कब है, इट इज हार्मलेस, that man's cub is harmless. There is no harm in a man's cub. कोई भी नुकसान नहीं है, वो किसी को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाएगा। I have no gift of words, but I speak the truth. तो मेरे में, मैं सच बोलता हूँ कि मैंस कब से हमें कुछ भी, इस पैक ऑफ वुल्व्स को कोई भी हानि नहीं है। Let him run with the packs and be inter with the others. I myself will teach him. तो उसको वुल्फ के झुंड में, बच्चों के झुंड में दौड़ने दो, लेट हिम गो, क्योंकि यहां पर मैं भी उनको अबाउट द जंगल्स लॉस, इवन आई एम ऑल्सो टीचिंग हिम। वी नीड yet another, said Akela. Balu has spoken and he is our teacher for the young cubs. Who speaks besides Balu? We need yet another, said Akela. Balu has spoken. उसी समय simultaneously the someone began to speak, and he is our teacher for the young cubs. Who speak besides Balu? यानी Akela as well as Balu was the teacher of young cubs, जिसको कि सिखाया जाता था जंगल के कानून के विषय में छोटे से ही बच्चों को। A black shadow dropped down into the circle. उसी समय at the same time एक काला परछाई दिखाई देता है। It was Bagheera. वो कौन था? बगीरा, the black panther. Inky black all over, but with the panther making showing up in certain light like the pattern of watered silk. Everybody knew Bagheera said nobody cared to cross his path. किसी की भी हिम्मत नहीं होती थी। Bagheera was a very dangerous and very powerful panther, black panther. No one dared to cross his way, for he was as cunning as tabaki, as bold as the wild buffalo. यानी कि वो एक जंगली भैंस की तरह साहसी भी था, निडर था और बुद्धिमान चालाक भी था. And as reckless as the wounded elephant, but he had a voice as soft as wild honey dripping from a tree and skin softer than down. और उसकी आवाज एक wounded elephant, like a wounded elephant, how it scream when the elephant get wounded. His voice is as louder and sharp, like a wounded elephant. But even he had this kind of voice, always he used to speak in soft voice and a low voice. Oh, Akela, ye the free people, he poured, I have no right in your assembly, but the law of jungle says if there is doubt which is not killing matter in regard to a new cub, the life of that cub may be brought at price, but the law does not say who may or may not pay that price. Am I right? तो यहाँ पर discussion about the law of jungle regarding that about the man's cub. Sher Khan was expecting, Sher Khan was willing to take the man's cub, and he was declaring about the rule that every creature of jungles, creatures have to follow. So he was trying to reminding to all the wolves family. So if you want that man's cub, there should be a pay of price. Then only the matter will get solved. So such type of statements that the Sher Khan was using against them. Good, good, said the young wolves, who were always hungry. Listen to Bagheera, the cub can be bought for a price. It is the law, speak then. To kill a naked cub is a sin. Besides, he may make better sports for you when he is grown. Balu has spoken on his behalf. Yani Balu, that bear, who is the teacher of packs of wolves, वो कहता है कि ये एक छोटा बच्चा है. It's just a cub. That means a child. Let him grow up. Once it gets grow up. Now to Balu word I would add one bull and a fat on newly killed, not half a mile from here. If ye will accept the man's cub according to the law, it is difficult. तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे कहा गया है कि there should be a pay, there should be a price against that, because the jungle's law says. तो इसीलिए यहाँ पर एक ऑफर रखा जाता है that newly killed, a fat newly killed bull just half a mile from here, in the place of that, at the price, that means at the price of that man's cub. तो वो ऑफर किया जाता है. There was a clamor of scores of voices saying, what is the matter? He will die in the winter rains. Winter rains. He will scorch in the sun. What harms can a naked frog do us? और वहां से wolves, pack of wolves के बच्चे का as well as wolves mom का, बहुत से यंग wolves लोग का आवाज गूंजता है कि एक बच्चा क्या कर सकता है. यहाँ तक कि he will scorch in the sun. वो इतना नाजुक है. The man's cub is so delicate that even the sun scorching sun can harm. Let him run with the pack. Where is the bull Bagheera? तो वहां पर पूछा जाता है where is the bull Bagheera? Let him be accepted. And then came Akela's deep bay crying, look well, O wolves. Then all of the wolves family, lastly they decided that there's something to be offered beside, there's something should be offered beside that man's cubs in order to protect the man's cubs. That's why they offered the bull. Mowgli was still deeply interested in the pebbles and he did not notice. The serious happening was going on, but he was unnoticed about that all because the Mowgli was quite busy and very much happy playing with pebbles. The wolves came to look at him one by one. At last they all went down the hill for the dead wolves, and only Akela, Bagheera, Baloo and Mowgli's own wolves were left. And Sher Khan rode still in the night, for he was very hungry that Mowgli had not been handed over to him. Then that night it was decided that most of that wolf went together to find the dead wolves, dead bull to offer the शेर खान. और जब शेर खान को पता चला, जब मैंस कब वॉज नॉट ऑफर टू शेर खान, ही वॉज एंग्री, वो गुस्सा हो गया और वो गुर्राने लगा गुस्से से. A roar well, said Bagheera, under the whiskers, for the time will come when this naked thing will make thee roar to another tune, or I know nothing of man. तब जब वो वहाँ से जा रहा था, when he was departed from there, that शेर खान, तो उस समय बगीरा बोल रहा था धीमी आवाज में, in a soft voice, the Bagheera was saying that जिस प्रकार से आप गुर्रा रहे हो, that you are roaring, the time will come when this man's cub child, when it grew, your tune is going to be changed. यानी कि जब ये बच्चा बड़ा हो जाएगा तब आपका ये गुर्राने की आवाज का धुन चेंज हो जाएगा. That means it's a something like a warning to Sher Khan. I know nothing of man. It was well done, said Akela. तब उसके बाद जब when the Sher Khan went off from there, then Akela बात करने लगता अपने झुंड के लोगों के साथ. Man and their cubs are very wise. They were talking among them कि man's कब बहुत ही बुद्धिमान होते हैं. He may be a help in time. उन लोग सहायता जरूरत के समय वो मदद करते हैं. Truly, सचमुच, a help in time of need. When it is needy of help, then there is ready to help. For none can hope to lead the pack forever, said Bagheera. Akela said nothing. He was thinking of the time that comes to every leader of every pack when his strength goes from him and he gets feebler. That means Akela said nothing. और इस बारे में अकेला कुछ भी नहीं कहा. And being a leader, he was thinking that the time will come when in place of Akela there will be a new leaders will come. जब वो अपने strength से क्या हो जाएगा, weak हो जाएगा. When its strength goes from him and he gets feebler, यानी कि दुर्बल हो जाएगा. in his place someone will come, a new leader will come to take the job, means to lead the pack of wolves, and a new leader comes up to be killed in the town. Take him away, he said to father wolf. इतना कहकर ये मैंस कब्स को यहाँ से ले जाओ करके he ordered, that अकेला ordered, train him as befit one of the free people. और ये इंसान के बच्चे को अच्छे से appropriate manner में इसको ट्रेन करो, प्रशिक्षण करो. And that is how Mowgli was entered into the Seahorn wolf pack for the price of a bull and on bull good word. तो Baloo's good words. इस तरह से in this way the Mowgli was entered into the wolf pack. In this way the Mowgli finds his home in the pack of wolf family. तो इस तरह से पाया वो मोगली वुल्फ के सदस्य बनता है, और सदस्य बनता है किसके प्राइज में उसको मिलता है? फॉर द प्राइज ऑफ बुल. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी हाउ Mowgli find his family. I hope that you understood. There is homework for you all. Page number 30, A, B and C. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.